Now we are going to show the weaving process. Before weaving, the preparation of warp and weft and the incorporation of these yarns to the loom have to be carried out. The loom is the principal machine of the weaving process, and we need to know its principal characteristics to be able to design fabrics. The main parts of the loom to introduce the warp and yarn are warp beam, whip roll and lace rods, and window and warp stop motion. The beam is the device that holds the warp yarns, and it is located at the back of the loom. This is controlled by the unwinder, which causes the rotation of the beam and the warp feed. The whip roll is the guide roller, which directs the warp threads on their way to the heddles, and the warp stop motion detects if there are any broken yarn to stop the weaving process. The set is the temporary separation between upper and lower warp yarns through which the weft woven. The opening set machine is the part of the weaving machine that moves the mount, which is the device that moves the warp yarns up or down. We can find two types of looms, dobby and jacquard. The main difference between these is how the warp yarns are moved up and down. In the case of the dobby loom, the warp yarns are moved in groups. However, in the jacquard loom, the warp yarn is moved individually. After this, we can find the comb that this device has two functions: to keep parallel warp yarns across the width of the loom and to move the inserted weft to its final position on the fabric. To get the weft insertion, some devices are needed: the creel of weft bobbins, the prefeeder that feed the weft yarn with the extraction of the bobbin thread at high speed, the weft stop motion, which detects the break of absence of the weft yarn and stop the weaving process, and the selector with the weft to the insertion device. Nowadays, we can find three types of insertion device: projectile, rapier, air jet, and water jet. The templates are devices that are located at the ends of the fabric and open the fabric across its width to keep it stretched. The pulling cylinder gets the fabric moved ahead when it turns around, and the speed of the turn defines the weft density of the fabric. And the last one, the fabric beam, which is the one where the fabric is rolled up.